Gallstones. Introduction. Excess bile is stored in the gallbladder. Select true or false. Correct. The gallbladder is a small pouch that sits under the liver on the right side of the abdomen. Which is the most common type of gallstones? Choose one of the following options. 1. Cholesterol stones. 2. Pigment stones. Correct. People who are on a rapid weight loss program are at a higher risk of developing gallstones. Select true or false. Correct. The main symptom of a gallstone attack is severe pain. Select true or false. Correct. The pain could be in the upper right abdomen, middle of the abdomen, upper back, or just under the right shoulder. The pain usually gets worse quickly and can last for minutes to hours. Which of the following is the most common test for gallstones? Choose one of the following options. 1. ERCP. 2. Hydroscan. 3. Ultrasound. Correct. Gallstones and their complications are usually diagnosed with ultrasound. Surgery is the most common treatment for gallstone attacks. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.